The swordfish is a specialized pelagic predator, refined by millions of years for speed, endurance, and precision in open water hunting. The swordfish thrives from surface to deep layers, tolerating rapid shifts in temperature, pressure, and oxygen each day. The swordfish spans tropical, subtropical, and temperate seas, traversing the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean basins. These hunters routinely dive beyond 600 meters, following their prey through stacked layers of light, cold, and darkness. Ecological. Environmental variability shaped the swordfish's physiology, enabling quick adjustments to shifting water temperature, and swordfish evolved away from reef strategies, becoming independent hunters in vast, featureless pelagic environments. The swordfish's smooth profile and drag reduction allow efficient long-distance travel and bursts of high-speed pursuit. Swordfish use the rostrum to slash and stun schooling prey, increasing capture success with fewer costly chases. Swordfish use their bills as precision tools to strike through dense prey, disabling targets before swallowing. The caudal fin powers explosive acceleration, supported by a rigid body core designed for stability during high-speed pursuit. Its muscle design favors sustained swimming, balancing aerobic endurance with short bursts so long migrations remain possible across ocean basins. Red muscle plays a crucial role for endurance, allowing it to cruise steadily for long travel rather than constant sprinting. The swordfish's transoceanic movement, crossing thousands of kilometers, tracks seasonal prey shifts and spawning cycles. Swordfish are able to warm their brains and eyes, allowing them to maintain high performance during cold, deep water dives. This remarkable heat exchange system ensures that even as the swordfish plunges into colder depths, its vital neural tissues remain functional. They actually have a unique heating mechanism located behind the eyes that allows them to maintain visual acuity during dives. Pupils and optics support dim water hunting, where light is scarce but prey still move fast.
Swordfish rely on keen vision to track their prey. Their large eyes are adapted to subtle motion and
its lateral line sensing adds vibration cues, helping detect nearby movement in open water where visual information can be limited. Swordfish disable their prey rather than wrestle it. They use their bill to reduce struggle time and energy loss, then swallow efficiently in one motion. Slashing increases capture probability per strike, reducing repeated pursuits when prey encounters are unpredictable.
This hunting style lets it conserve energy, turning rare feeding opportunities into reliable intake without prolonged, costly chases.
The swordfish stands high in the food chain, influencing prey populations and stabilizing energy flow across open ocean ecosystems.
Swordfish help regulate the populations of their prey, preventing overpopulation and resource depletion.
Swordfish connect surface and deep layers through daily vertical movement, transporting energy and predation pressure.
These fast, wide-ranging predators are typically alone, as schooling offers little advantage. Limited interaction outside feeding and breeding, with open water selecting for independence rather than group coordination.
Swordfish use broadcast spawning, releasing gametes into open water for external fertilization. Swordfish eggs drift in surface layers, where warmth and plankton support development.
Juvenile swordfish gradually shift deeper with size, entering broader vertical ranges as physiology matures. Swordfish undergo energy-intensive early development, building muscle, their bill structure, and swordfish can live for decades, a testament to long-term survival strategies where slow turnover and wide movement. Scientists use otoliths, also known as ear bones, and fin spines to determine the age of swordfish. Females often grow larger, enabling greater reproductive output and increasing the number of eggs released per spawn.
Larger females improve population resilience because high egg production buffers the heavy losses typical of pelagic early life stages.
Swordfish migrations align with spawning and prey availability, with seasonal temperature and currents shaping when and where adults concentrate.
Swordfish respond to seasonal shifts by moving latitudinally and vertically, tracking thermal comfort zones while maintaining access to prey.
Swordfish may persist for decades, meaning population recovery can be slow when fishing pressure rises faster than reproduction can replace adults.
Swordfish act as indicators of pelagic ecosystem health. It reflects prey availability.
Commercial fishing altered swordfish abundance in many regions, increasing the need for monitoring, quotas, and international stock assessments.
Swordfish have a long lifespan and delayed maturity, which means heavy harvests can remove breeders faster than new recruits replace them.
Management for swordfish includes size limits, bycatch reduction, seasonal closures, and catch reporting to stabilize long-term stocks.
Warming waters can alter the cues that synchronize swordfish reproduction and larval survival windows, potentially leading to shifted spawning timing. Warming oceans move prey distributions, forcing swordfish to travel farther or dive differently to maintain feeding efficiency. Swordfish tolerate low oxygen during dives, using physiological flexibility to exploit prey zones where other predators struggle.
Swordfish physiology reflects its adaptation to fluctuating oxygen, balancing energy demand with available oxygen when crossing layered water masses.
The swordfish confronts immense pressure, frigid temperatures, and limited oxygen. But specialized tissue,
vast ranges, open water, and deep dives reduce encounter rates for researchers and cameras.
Satellite tagging revolutionized swordfish science, revealing migration corridors, dive profiles, and behavior patterns.
Tracking exposed an unexpected character in Image 1 swordfish deep diving frequency, showing routine use warbled.
Modern electronic tags reshaped swordfish ecology, linking movement to temperature, oxygen, and prey signals across time and depth. Swordfish challenge assumptions about fish thermal biology, with partial warming of sensory organs enabling performance in cold depths. The swordfish combines speed with efficiency, showing high performance doesn't require wasteful energy use when design is optimized.
The swordfish embodies evolutionary optimization, its structural root dominance.
Swordfish possess a unique combination of speed, strength, and endurance, a triad necessary for hunting in a three-dimensional ocean world. Survival relies on precision strikes and efficient capture, not constant aggression.
Swordfish demonstrate adaptation through refinement. Swordfish are often misunderstood as indiscriminate killers, yet research shows targeted behavior and
In Image 1, the swordfish is reframed by science as specialized pelagic animals, shaped by the constraints of the open. The pelagic world imposes strict constraints, a constant need for mobility, adaptable oxygen use,
Swordfish act as energy conduits, transferring pressure across ocean listing layers.
The swordfish highlights pelagic food web complexity. where sparse structure still supports stable predator.
Mobility is the core survival trait for swordfish, letting them track shifting prey fields rather than waiting in place for chance encounters. The swordfish's design shows how hydrodynamics and muscle push performance to biological extremes.
The swordfish's form, function, and behavior illustrate how open ocean constraints sculpt marine evolutionary theory across long timescales.
Swordfish serve as models for pelagic predator dynamics, linking individual behavior to large-scale oceanography and prey availability.
Consider. In the open ocean, the swordfish is a master of adaptation, using its refined design and physiology.
The swordfish embodies success through structural precision. Its bill and streamlined body act as integrated hunting machinery. The swordfish's survival depends on anatomy and endurance more than complex social behavior. In environments Among today's most efficient pelagic predators, swordfish combine fast pursuit with cost-saving prey disabling to thrive in open water. Swordfish interact with other pelagic predators through shared prey fields, shaping competition and spacing across overlapping ocean layers.
The swordfish has a unique ecology, physiology, and depth use patterns.
Swordfish research still has gaps, including fine-scale prey choices, regional growth variation, and consistency. This highlights that population structure in swordfish can vary by ocean basin, requiring region-specific assessment.
Demand drives pressure on swordfish populations, while slow turnover complicated rapid recovery.
Deep movement and open water range limit direct sampling of behavior and reproduction, making data scarcity a persistent challenge. The swordfish is a compromise rather than perfection, balancing speed with efficiency and deep diving with thermal constraints. Swordfish redefine evolutionary success, proving stable performance across variability can.
Swordfish remain effective across latitudes, tolerating broad temperature windows and tracking prey along seasonal boundaries in open seas.
Harvest pressure reveals how predator loss can ripple through pelagic food webs. Swordfish conservation depends on monitoring migration, enforcing rules across borders, and reducing bycatch in longline and drift fisheries.
Swordfish deep dives may change as oxygen minimum zones expand, compressing vertical habitat and intensifying predator-prey overlap. Living proof that high performance can remain efficient. Refined structure reduces drag and preserves energy over distance.
The swordfish embodies a marvel of nature, where biology and physics converge for survival in the deep ocean. Evolution's refined open ocean specialist, fast, enduring, precise, and built for the pelagic world.